Dr. Ashwini Sharma sir. As it is said, good food is a good mood. But what about the mood when we have to wait in the long queues outside restaurants for food? Or what about the travel long for hours for food? Or in other case, our midnight cravings. Waiting for food is something that every foodie hates. There existed the problem, but there were people who found solution to this problem and created an online food delivery platform. Pankaj Chadda and Dipender Goyal in 2008 were successful in doing that. It won't be wrong if we call Zomato the Google of food. Now I ask Prachi Sharma to continue further and unfold the mystery behind successful story of Zomato. Prachi Sharma,
हाँ, एक मिनट।
Prachi, I think you are sitting in front of the fan, or I think some type of cooler.
सर फैन चल रहा है।
हाँ बेटा, काफी ज्यादा लाउड है साउंड।
एक मिनट सर। सर अब ठीक है?
हाँ अब ठीक है।
सर स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है?
या इट्स विजिबल।
ओके सर।
Prachi, just press F5 to share
सर
your
F5
screen
ही
on the full
करो।
mode. Okay.
ओके। Good morning, everyone. I am Prachi Sharma, management learner of MIT MBA, 21st Century Management Education. I'm here to give a brief introduction about Zomato, how it started, and what is the history behind the startup of Zomato. Zomato is an multinational restaurant aggregator and food delivery company founded by Pankaj Chadda and Dipinder Goyal in 2008. How the idea of starting Zomato came in the mind of them. Dipinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadda were the alumni of IIT Delhi and were employees of Bain and Company in New Delhi. In their office, they came across that many people were waiting for a long time just to order a flat menu, and this is when the idea of obtaining a solution was planted in their mind, and that has led to the launch of food eBay. स्टार्टिंग में इन्होंने अपनी सर्विसेज बस दिल्ली एनसीआर के रीजन में दी थी, लेकिन फिर धीरे धीरे सोचा कि जैसे जैसे अपना एक्सपेंड करा बिजनेस, एक्सपेंड करा और इन्होंने रीब्रांडिंग एक्सरसाइज करी। इन्होंने फूड ईबे से इन 2010 में फूड ईबे से जोमेटो में इसका उसको रीब्रांड कर दिया था। और इनिशियल में इनको इनको इन्वेस्टमेंट नौकरी.com के फाउंडर संजीव बिखचंदानी ने दी थी। Zomato provides information, menus, and user reviews of restaurants, and also had a food delivery option from partner restaurant in selected cities. Now it is operating in more than 23 countries with more than 1 million restaurants on its platform. Its mission is to ensure that nobody had a has a bad meal. For this, they do helping people discover great places around them, building amazing experiences around dining, and enabling restaurants to create amazing experiences. Its revenue is more than 2,486 crore. Now, Zomato has acquired several companies over the years like Urban Spoon, Menu Mania, Lunchtime, Maple Graph, Spares Lab, and in 2020 रिसेंट में इन्होंने उबर ईट्स को एक्वायर करा है। सर स्लाइड्स मूव हो रही है?
नो बेटा, स्लाइड मूव नहीं हो रही है आपकी।
अभी
स्लाइड पे
मूव नहीं हो
क्लिक,
रही
हाँ स्लाइड पे क्लिक करो।
सर अभी भी नहीं आई सर?
नहीं अभी भी नहीं हो रही।
सर एक मिनट,
या नाउ इट्स मूविंग.
अब हो रही है
हाँ,
सर,
अब
ये
मूव
ऐसी
कर
हो
रही
रही
है.
है।
हाँ बेटा, वो खुद मूव नहीं होगी, या तो
ठीक है
फुल
सर।
स्क्रीन पे उसे खोल लो तब उसे मूव कर सकते हो आप. अदरवाइज आपको क्लिक करना पड़ेगा साइड में स्लाइड के ऊपर.
सर मैं कर रही थी क्लिक।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है, अब मूव है.
ठीक है सर। Zomato has acquired several companies over the years. These are some notable acquisitions of Zomato, like Urban Spoon, Menu Mania, Lunchtime, Maplegraph, Sparse Labs, Tungsteam, and अभी रिसेंट में इन्होंने एक Uber Eats को, Uber इसका राइवल था जो इसको भी एक्वायर कर लिया है. Zomato competes with other restaurants and food delivery platforms such as Swiggy, Dineout, Grubhub, Yelp, DoorDash and Just Dial. और इससे इनसे अलग भी और इसके competitors हैं, वो मैंने मेंशन नहीं करे. एंड दिस इज द टाइमलाइन ऑफ Zomato, हाउ इट स्टार्टेड एंड वेयर इट स्टैंड्स टुडे. कैसे एक छोटे से मतलब एक आइडिया ऑनलाइन फूड डिलीवर करने का आज कहाँ पे एस्टेब्लिश करा इन्होंने Zomato को अपने आप को. एंड दिस इज द बिजनेस मॉडल ऑफ Zomato. Restaurant pays Zomato for being featured on their platform. User reviews restaurants, and third one is more customer football for the restaurants. These are the top investors of Zomato. जो इनमें इन्वेस्ट Zomato में अपने फंड्स इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है. These are Ant Financial, Sequoia Capital, Timask Holding, Info Edge, PY Capital and Tiger Global Management. अभी रिसेंट में इन्होंने ना 250 मिलियन का इन्वेस्ट करा है 5 इन्वेस्टर्स की तरफ से. So the success story of Zomato shows that the hard work and determination to make it big will lead to achieving desired goal. But along with the success, there are some controversies too that are being faced by Zomato. Now, Prachi Agarwal will tell you about the controversies faced by the Zomato. Thank you. Prachi?
Yes. Wait a second. Good morning, everyone. I am Prachi Agarwal. I am going to tell you about the recent controversies of Zomato. Um, my slide is moving.
No, I think it is visible only Zomato controversies. This is the title page, I
So,
think. Prachi, now it's moving.
okay, sir. The first controversy deals about the Zomato guy and Hitesha. A makeup artist by profession, Hitesha Chandrani accused a Zomato delivery person of assaulting her and punching her after she tried to ask him why her order was delayed. This incident happened on 9th March 2020 and the woman's video with bleeding nose went viral. Many celebrities and other social media influencers started sharing the same. Hitesha filed an FIR against the Zomato delivery person for assaulting her. The delivery boy named Kamraj was arrested and released on bail. He denied the woman's story and said she was the one who assaulted him with slippers due to delay in delivering the food. Zomato co-founder Dipendra Goyal tweeted a statement. He said his company helped both Hitesha and Kamraj with all the support they needed during investigation. Zomato said Kamraj had made 5,000 deliveries and had 4.75-star rating, one of the highest, ascertaining that these were facts and not opinions. This is the photo I'm showing about this controversy.
Prachi, your screen is not moving again. Please try to click on the third slide. Yes,
So
now.
now, okay, sir. Now, let us come to the second controversy of Zomato. The delivery boy was seen to eat some food from each of the packets and then reseal them with original Zomato tags. However, Zomato apologized later via a tweet, but that was too late. Now let me show you the video of the same.
Prachi, are you playing any video?
So, I think.
I think it is connected with YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are presenting your screen in a single window or your entire screen?
Sir, window.
So you have to switch your window. Please select the
Okay, sir.
option, I think.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Okay, okay. I'm done. So now it is
Prachi, please.
visible.
Now, at present, it is not visible. Please select a option. I think it is a tab. There's a three types of option we are having. One is
Yes,
a
sir.
tab, one is window, and other is entire screen. So please select a tab. Then open your tab and please share.
Okay. Now it is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
So let me show you the video of same. So that's it. Now let us okay. So now let us move to the third controversy of Zomato. A man named Amit Shukla from Bhopal tweeted about cancelling his order on Zomato as the delivery boy was a non-Hindu. He shared the screenshots of his conversation with Zomato's customer care and said he would take up the issue with his lawyers. Zomato responded, "Food doesn't have a religion, it is a religion." The company's response was widely praised on social media. This is the response. And thank you. Now Pooja will Oh, now Pooja will tell you the market strategies.
Though there were backlashes and controversies and the rise of competitors faced by the Zomato, but the effective marketing strategies used by the Zomato were helpful to overcome it and survive in the market. This is the mobile app of the Zomato, which provides features of trendy restaurants, nearby restaurants, and the food options. The four P's of marketing used by the Zomato are product, price, place, and promotion. Product, connecting food restaurants to customers with fastest delivery mechanism. Price, discounts and promo codes provided by the Zomato. Place, it is globally expanded with target audience of 18 to 35 years who are accessible to the smartphones. And while promoting their products, they use traditional marketing as well as the digital marketing. The traditional marketing tools used by them are billboards, through print media, and through television. These ads of Zomato are always related to the trendy topics of the country. Sometimes they are creative and sometimes they are funny, which are attractive to the youth audience. For example, this advertisement of the 2014 related to Achhe Din are finally here, promoting their unbelievable deals. This advertisement on top of the building, promoting their fastest delivery mechanism, ऊंची है building, lift तेरी बंद है, and others like that. Now let's experience the Zomato through the advertisement. Though there were some good ads on Zomato which gained popularity, but there were some other ads which gained the outrage in the public. For example, mac and cheese butter chicken, MCBC. But the strategy used by the Zomato, they apologized for it, and other day they came up with the other ad, Tenu fruit suit karda, promoting the 10% cashback with the promo code outrage, and other ads like promoting Malai Tikka roll. The digital marketing strategy used by the Zomato were on its presence on various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even on YouTube, and its active engagement of audience. The Zomato has been the most popular in case of giving pop-up ads. One of the video, the most viral video of the Zomato of hashtag Happy Rider, which was later used as the marketing video marketing strategy.
तो भैया आप जोमेटो में कितने पैसे कमा लेते हो? 350 डेली का इंसेंटिव लगा के कितने घंटे काम करते हो? हैं? 12 घंटे आप काम करते हो, 350 रुपये मिलते हैं बस, और कुछ खाने को मिल जाता है कंपनी से? खा जाते, और रास्ते में कुछ खाने मन करता खा ले निकाल के। लेमन नहीं खाते हैं, खरीद के खाते हैं। तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा वो हमारा। अच्छा, ये स्माइल जो आपकी इतनी प्यारी आ रही है, मतलब इसका कोई राज? काफी खुश हो जाता है जोमेटो से, हैं? तो जोमेटो वाले टाइम पे पैसे दे देते हैं? पैसा उसी टाइम पे देते हैं, पैसा और खाना दोनों। कोई परेशानी हो रही जोमेटो से? परेशानी कोई नहीं है। अच्छा, पैसा और खाना दोनों टाइम पे देते हैं। चलो बढ़िया है, अच्छा लगा।
This video got viral as a happy rider and was used by the Zomato as the video marketing tools. They later kept this image of the rider as their profile picture. The use of SEO tools and the URL keywords has helped Zomato to engage the organic traffic on its app. The increase in the traffic on Zomato is still rising. The use of keywords like food near me, bars near me, and other more. This has resulted the Zomato to get 227,000 followers on Instagram, 1.4 million on Twitter, and 1.9 million on Facebook. And this game is still on. These strategies has helped Zomato to maintain that connect with the audience on different platforms with much engagement, viral videos, and sometimes appraisal videos. Now I ask Prachi Verma to continue further.
I give brief summary of all of Zomato COVID-19.
Prachi, is there any problem?
No, sir.
So, would you like to present anything more? Are you presenting something? Okay.
Summary of all of Zomato COVID-19 related incentive. At Zomato, we are doing everything we can support our community, our customer, delivery partner, restaurant partner, and the daily wage worker who have been impacted the most in this time. We have and received overwhelming support towards all the incentives we have taken and would like to thank everyone for the bottom of heart for the courage and resilience they have been shown to help out these in need. Your love and support keep us going. We are doing to support our community and our business at this time. Our customer contact delivers face mask, amidst the current lockdown situation in India, ensuring delivery of safe, hygienic food for to our customer is paramount for us. To ensure this, we have launched contact delivers. Customer can opt to allow the delivery partner to leave the package to their home, ensuring no human to human interaction and hence lowering risk to any transaction. Face masks. We believe that people should wear masks for the sake of others, if not for themselves. In that spirit, we have distributed and continue to distribute face masks to our delivery partner to keep them as well as our customers safe from the spread of an unlikely invention. Disabling mode for disabling disabling COD for safety reasons to avoid contact between our users and delivery partner. We have temporarily disabled the COD option on our app. Strict hygiene at restaurant. We are making a big push to ensure hygiene standards are being followed by restaurant and passing on that information to users so that they can inform decision and are assured of the safety and hygiene standard of the food. Restaurant can issue a self-declaration on whether they are complying with best practices advised by WHO at their premises to take precaution the spread of coronavirus. Restaurants have set up hand washing and sanitizer station and are ensuring that restaurant staff as well as delivery partner and using them regularly. Restaurants are being encouraged to adopt the practice of sanitizing their kitchen slabs and utensils at periodic interval. Restaurants are also checking the body temperature of restaurant staff as well as our delivery partner to ensure that food is not delivered by someone with a higher than normal body temperature. Delivery partners are being asked to share a daily self-declaration on their hygiene and health, normal body temperature, sanitize mask and bag. We are also enforcing policies ensure adherence by hygiene and health standard. Grocery delivery. We have started grocery delivery in 18 plus cities across India to help with the supply of essential. Our delivery network in the country in only second to India Post, and we are putting in every effort to making sure that we put into the good use to serve the community. We would like to thank the government authority, grocery stores, FMCG companies, and other startups that have come forward to partner with us and support the community in this endeavor. Zomato Gold extension as a small gesture from, and we have decided to extend all paid Zomato Gold membership by the 2 month at zero cost. This will be valid across India, UAE, Australia, Indonesia, Philippines, Lebanon, Turkey, New Zealand, Portugal, and Qatar. Now Pooja will end this topic.
Ideas are easy, but implementation are hard. Therefore, while implementing them, some might face non-recognition, backlash, competition, but as said, behind every successful startup, there exists a series of unhappening events. Therefore, staying up to date, connecting with the customers, and taking risks is the formula for being successful. Thank you.
Pooja, I think the case study is complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone want to ask any question to the team members? Any student? No one want to ask any question? Okay,
No,
now.
sir.
Okay, now the team effort is good. I think this is your first time. Pooja, am I
Yes,
audible?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, your effort is good,
Sir,
but
actually, Prachi Verma didn't have the laptop.
I know. She will also discuss about me. She is unable to present the PPT on screen, and
Yes.
okay. So now I think we should wind up the session,
Yes, sir.
and it is good from your team side, and congratulations to all. So thank you very much,
Thank you, sir.
Thank
and
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
we will meet on next session. So bye to all.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. The session was good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye.